how to use common apps. So this is the app to help you out apply for colleges in US. So from here you can create your account, then you can just upload once all the required documents, your profile information, like some your grades, classes and all of that. And then you just have them easily in this mobile app, which is super handy. And then you just find the colleges right in your fingertips and you can just easily apply. Of course, you need to separately upload all of your grades, essays on the required docs. But sometimes when you just upload them once, you can just use it in many places. So here's the app and it's quite handy. You just have dashboard. Of course, you need to go and create your account quite easily just with email and password. Then what you have here is just you have your colleges which you can add. How you add them, you just search for college. From here you can just tap add and then it will appear in your colleges. Then you can just tap on it, for example. Then you can just tap on college information. You can see the standard information. Then you will see some questions. So it says thank you for interest. It will be available in mid-August, for example. For example, if you want to apply Harvard, then you see general questions, preferred start term. You just select that, and then all of these things you will just have specific questions, short answers, academics, all the field of study, all this basic stuff. Then there is recommenders and FERPA, and then there are all these admissions specific things you need to fill out, and then review and submit, and then you just have common app doing from here. So pretty cool. And then you can just upload all of that. What you need, like there is a checklist for each college, but first of all you just need to have a profile section of the common app, your family, education, testing, activities, writing. Then you have your personal essay, and then you have the specific university questions, and then you have your recommenders. So in your common app here in your personal profile, you just need to fill out all of these things, answer all of these essays, and then then you will be able to have them just in one place. And then if you want to apply to many colleges, you don't need to to resubmit them again and again. So there you have it. It's pretty cool. So that's the app. Of course, maybe you need to submit some important applications on your laptop where you sit in the calm space or something like that. But then if you just have, again, all of this filled out, you can just be commuting and applying to colleges. You can just, just search for colleges where you want to apply. There are hundreds, thousands of colleges here, probably. And then you can just apply to them through here. There are colleges in US, UK. I'm not sure about Canada, or Spain. So some European universities, Italy as well. But mostly it's US here. And then you just apply there, and that's basically the idea. So try out this app.